The mystery behind Chisel Tip. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have come across in stationery or art: chisel tip. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your everyday conversations. A chisel tip refers to the shape of the tip of a writing instrument, such as a marker or highlighter. Imagine a chisel used in carpentry or sculpture. It has a wide, flat end. Similarly, a chisel tip marker or pen has a broad, flat tip, which is perfect for creating both thin and thick lines, depending on how you hold it. While you might think the use of chisel tip is limited to the stationery world, it's also used in broader contexts. For instance, 1. Artists love chisel tip markers because they can create varied line widths with a single tool. 2. Office workers might use chisel tip highlighters to emphasize text in documents. 3. DIY enthusiasts might come across chisel tip tools when working on crafts. To help you integrate this phrase into your vocabulary, here are a few example sentences. 1. I prefer chisel tip markers for my calligraphy projects. 2. Can you hand me that chisel tip highlighter? I want to mark this paragraph. 3. For broad strokes, use the chisel tip side of the pen. And there we have it. The next time you're shopping for art supplies or you're discussing tools, you'll know exactly what someone means when they mention a chisel tip. We hope this video has illuminated this phrase for you. Stay curious and keep learning.